We've seen what the reproductive systems in fish, frogs, and lizards look like. Let's now focus on the birds. Male birds have two testes which produce sperm that move through the seminal duct or vas deferens into a seminal vesicle where they accumulate. Unlike lizards, most male birds do not have hemipenis. Instead, the seminal vesicles open into the cloaca. Adult female birds have only one developed ovary, the left ovary, that produces ova or eggs which are moved into the oviduct. A male bird makes courtship calls and displays, then mates with the female bird. During mating, sperm are transferred through the male bird's cloaca into the female bird's cloaca. The sperm then travel to fertilize the eggs in the oviduct. Hence, fertilization in birds is internal. The fertilized eggs are then covered with nutritive substances and a shell within the reproductive system of the female bird. The eggs are laid and incubated for some weeks and eventually hatch into little birds. So that's all for the reproductive system in birds. There's still more to learn about reproductive systems in animals. Hop along.